Hey guys, I've got this anvil, gotta clean it up. It's got a layer of black paint, it's got a layer of green paint, and it's got a layer of rust that we need to clean off before we can get stuff done. With it, I've got an angle grinder with a wire brush bit on it, and I've got some gloves, and I've got some eye protection because these shoot off and they hurt like hell. I get them on my knees and my arms. It hurts, that's fine. I'm gonna bring you up close. I'm gonna show you a little bit of testing I've already done to see if it works all right, and then we gotta get some work done. So as you may be able to see, I've grinded off this piece here. It was completely black, had green underneath it, and then a layer of rust. And before I started cleaning this off, this section actually seemed pretty smooth, but underneath all the paint and the rust, there are some dents and stuff here at the edge. I think someone might have been testing chisels on it or just been abusing it. It's certainly not in a good condition. It doesn't matter right here. It's really this section that's important. But I'm a little scared of how that's gonna look underneath this because it's already a little bit pitted. So maybe we'll have to do some reconstruction there. I hope not. We'll have to see. I've been using this to try and get the paint off of the anvil. It's a pain in the ass, the batteries die in 10 minutes. This wire brush just broke on me because that's what wire brushes do. I went to my parents' place, my dad hooked me up with some better protective gear and a better angle grinder. I'm gonna let this fall over now. Not only does this have a wire, so I don't have to worry about bullshit batteries, also got me a more heavy-duty wire brush, so now we can get some real work done. We got the angle stripped and there's barely any more paint on it, barely any more rust. There's a bit at the bottom here, but that's to be expected when it's been sitting in a flower bed. I'm amazed at the amount of colors that I found on this. It has been blue, red, dark green and black, but we don't know a lot about these anvils. This one is well above 100 kilos. It's in really good condition, and when you buy something that's used, you expect it to show some wear and tear. I got this incredibly cheap for about 700 Danish kroner, which is about 90 euros. That's about 100 bucks. That's really cheap, especially when we get a cone mandrel in it. It's a little bent, but it's that doesn't matter. I'm really excited to get going with this. So if you've enjoyed this video and following along on my very tedious grind, remember to subscribe to the channel. But it feels and looks like a really good anvil. It's got that ring to it. Till next time, guys.